Good day to you. Right, here we have the dreaded Now TV box. Tiny one, version 2. Horrible looking thing. Everyone's asking for a fix. Well, I have it. Are you sitting comfortably? Then we'll begin. First, memory stick required, Cat24 cable required, and a USB cable required. Don't forget the door stopper. Firstly, you get your tool. I'm using the old hammer drill, yes. Here we go. Right, that's a nice little hole fitted in that. We'll call that the ventilation shaft. Then you get your memory stick, throw that away. You get your Cat24 cable, throw that away. You get your USB cable, plug that in the side, you have a phone charger. Why the hole in the top? Because it's a crap box, but it makes a lovely decoration. There you have it, the fix for Now TV. Bye!